So I got in a rush to get it dry. Really cool. Oh, I thought of a second. Ali has been shopping with us for years and has always made positive comments about the energy of this market and particularly my stall. The passion that I have for my community and also the pleasant scent of my shop. A few months ago he was standing and staring at my shop with a cheeky smile and I asked him, "What's going on?" And he replied with another question. "If you were to describe the scent of your shop, what would it be?" The rest of it is history. There's quite a few reasons why I'm really excited about this collaboration with Sensory Plus. One is the passion with which it was suggested to me and the fact that they loved my shop and they described it in such a beautiful way that it really felt like an honour to be asked in the first place. And it's like I get to share my love of my market and they're sharing their love in the market. So the one thing we have in common is that we actually both love this one magical place. And that's been really exciting. I got to learn a lot of things that I didn't ever know I would know about. And it's just been a really beautiful journey. And COVID has been a little bit stressful, and to have something so wonderful to look forward to as smelling a scent that's been inspired by my business. And this is not your average business, so of course it should have a candle. Sensory Plus to me is the sense of purpose. Sensory Plus is built around the support and the service to the community. At the Market, which is the name of our limited edition candle, is an example of that. It is about the us, the people who are forming the communities. And I think more companies should be like that. Think global, act local, just like Sensory Plus does. We are so excited to be selling the world's #1 detoxifying candle here at Georgie's Harvest. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's soy wax, it's Australian, and it is so sustainable. The candle's glass is recycled and recyclable. The packaging is an absolute beautiful piece of art and so much beautiful thought has gone into it. There's a 2-hour soundtrack that is very, very, very South Melbourne market. You better hurry, we've only created 250 of these pieces and you can get yours here at Georgie's Harvest.